Hello Bladers. Although many generations have passed, it is near to impossible that no one knows about Michael Jordan. The magic number was 23. That was Michael Jordan's shirt number when he played for the Chicago Bulls. Jordan played 15 seasons in the NBA for the Bulls and the Washington Wizards. On the NBA website, Jordan's biography states, "By acclamation, Michael Jordan is the greatest basketball player of all time." A total of 12 cars are in stock in his garage. I know, you might think that he owns a total number of 23 cars in his garage due to his signature number. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Michael Jordan's car collection. Number 1, Cadillac XLR. Number 2, Aston Martin DB7 Volante. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz CL65. Number 4, Aston Martin DB9 Volante. Number 5, Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Number 6, Chevrolet C4 Corvette. Number 7, Porsche 911. Number 8, Mercedes-Benz SL55 AMG. Number 9, Ferrari 512 TR. Number 10, Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 722 Edition. Number 11, Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano. Number 12, Ford F-150 Raptor. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.